Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to make Chrome default browser in Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. On Windows operating system, we get Microsoft Edge as a default browser. However, if you want to set default browser to Google Chrome, then you can follow this step. First of all, you have to download and install the latest version of Google Chrome browser on your operating system. So I'd already made a video on how you can install Google Chrome browser on Windows 11, so I'll put the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After you had installed Google Chrome browser, simply open Google Chrome, then click on three-dot icon, then click on settings, and here you will find your Google Chrome setting page. Simply click on default browser option, and here you will find make Google Chrome the default browser. Here simply click on this make default button and it will open setting window. Here under set defaults for application, search bar, search for Google Chrome and select Google Chrome from the search result and click on set default button. Now you can see that Google Chrome browser has been set default in Windows 11. So that's it. This is a quick tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.